Welcome back to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel. AI image generation has become incredibly popular, but one challenge many users face is waiting. Some tools can produce amazing results, but the process can take a significant amount of time, especially when you're testing multiple ideas and prompts. In today's video, we're exploring a tool designed to make image generation much faster. It's called Z-ImageTurbo, and its goal is simple: help users create high-quality AI images in just moments. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, designer, YouTuber, or simply someone who enjoys experimenting with AI art, this tool can help turn your ideas into visuals quickly and efficiently. Let's jump in and see how it works. We are starting on the Z-ImageTurbo page on AI Free Forever. The interface is clean and easy to navigate. On the left side, you'll find the prompt box where you describe the image you want to create, while generated images appear on the right side. At the top, you'll notice several tabs including Generate, Edit, Create Prompt, and Chat. These tools provide different ways to create, refine, and manage your AI-generated content. For our first test, let's create a simple scene. Inside the prompt box, we enter a futuristic city at sunset with flying cars, neon lights, cinematic lighting, ultra-detailed. Below the prompt area, we have the option to upload a reference image if we want the AI to follow a particular style or visual direction. We can also select an aspect ratio depending on where the image will be used, such as YouTube, Instagram, websites, presentations, or other platforms. For this example, we'll leave the default settings unchanged. After completing the verification step, we click Generate Image. The generation process starts almost immediately, and within a short time, the image appears on the screen. The result looks impressive. The lighting is vibrant, the city details are clear, and the overall composition closely matches the prompt we provided. Now let's try something completely different. This time we enter a medieval castle floating above the clouds, fantasy artwork, dramatic sky, epic atmosphere. Once again, we click Generate Image. A few moments later, a new image is created. Being able to generate multiple concepts quickly makes it much easier to experiment with different ideas and refine your creative vision. Once an image is generated, you can preview it, download it to your device, or continue adjusting your prompt to create additional variations. Now let's take a quick look at some of the additional features available inside Z-ImageTurbo. First, we have the reference image option. Instead of starting from scratch, you can upload an existing image and use it as visual guidance for the AI. This can be useful when maintaining a consistent style across branding materials, social media content, or creative projects. Next, let's look at the Edit tab. The Edit tab allows you to upload an existing image and make changes without generating a completely new image from scratch. This gives you more control over the final result and can help save time when making adjustments. We also have the Create Prompt section. If you're not sure how to write detailed prompts, this feature can help generate better prompt ideas for you. Since prompt quality plays a major role in image quality, this tool can be especially useful for beginners. For example, instead of writing a dog, you could use a more detailed prompt such as a golden retriever sitting beside a lake during sunset, cinematic lighting, highly detailed photography, shallow depth of field. Providing additional details gives the AI more context and often leads to stronger and more visually appealing results. Finally, there's the Chat section, which can assist users with creative ideas, prompt suggestions, and other AI-related tasks while working on their projects. Overall, Z-ImageTurbo is designed to make AI image creation simple, fast, and accessible. Whether you're creating social media graphics, marketing materials, YouTube thumbnails, concept art, or simply experimenting with new ideas, the streamlined workflow makes the experience smooth and enjoyable. The process is straightforward. Open AI Free Forever, navigate to Z-ImageTurbo, Enter your prompt, adjust your settings, generate your image, and download the result when you're satisfied. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the AI Free Forever YouTube channel for more AI tool tutorials, walkthroughs, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.